Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find free copyright fonts. Let's start. First, open your browser. Then go to FontSpace.com. In this step, click on Fonts. Then choose Commercial Use. After that, choose any font you like. For example, let me choose this font. Select Download Font here. Choose Save File. After that, click on OK. Go to your downloads and open your file. In this step, click on Extract All. After that, right-click on your font and choose Install for all users. For example, let me go to Word and type something with this font. Really amazing! I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you soon in the next video.